Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Docker. Today we are going to learn how to set up and configure a MySQL Docker container. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we are going to pull the latest MySQL image. So let's go to the terminal. So here we have the already PostgreSQL hyphen quit to quit this one. So let's previous video is regarding the PostgreSQL which is successfully done. Now we are going to do with the MySQL. After this we will do the MongoDB also. Okay, so all the databases. Okay, so this is pulling the latest MySQL. Okay, so doing that one. So let's move to the next one. Run a MySQL container. Run a MySQL container. Specify the MySQL root password, database name, any other desired configurations. Replace your MySQL root password, your database name, and your container name with the desired values. So Docker run. So this is the command Docker run. Your container name. So here I'm going to add my MySQL container. Okay, so MySQL root password would be my password. So I will add the password for it. And your MySQL database would be the test DB. So I will add the test DB to it. And here I want to switch the port because currently 3306 is already occupied by local machine of my MySQL. So I'm going to change with my 3307, right? So let's run this command over the terminal. Let's go. And here you can see everything is this is 3306 maps the port on the host to the port inside the container. So if you this is the port of that machine that you are local one, so you need to change it over here, right? And this is the container one. Go to the terminal, everything is done. Let's run this command. Okay, and hit enter. Now this is done. Okay, so let's go and do the connectivity that everything is working fine or not. So let's assess the Docker. So here you need to add the container name. So what's the container name? That is MySQL, this one. So let's copy and paste it. Okay, so let's execute this one. Sudo with this and the password. So you can see I've logged in with to my MySQL right now. Okay, enter the MySQL root password when prompted. You will access the MySQL command line interface. Now let's create the database. Create a database and the users. Okay, so here create a database, my database. So you can create. Okay, so here you can say create my database. What is it? Control X. If I show DB databases. So here you can see that the test DB is automatically created over here. You can see. Now we can go with the table. So we can create the table. So we grant all the privileges on my database. So I think I need to check that the privileges. So here you can see that, but we have already created everything. So grant all the privileges to with the help of this my user identifier. So rest of the command is according to you. So you can make it like this. So currently we have successfully done with the pass username what we required username, password and the database which is already done. If I want to create the table, then we will move to the previous one and create a table like this. Okay, so create the table for the users. Let's create. So currently I'm going to use test db. Okay, so database is changed. Let's create a command. Query has been executed. Let's check show tables is there. So here you can see that in the test db users table is added, right? So this is how, that means we have successfully done with the MySQL Docker container. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day. In the next video, Dockerize the Node.js, Express and the MySQL we are going to learn. So be with me. Thank you so much. Have a great day.